Hello friends, so today we will learn how to create VLAN and SVI sub interfaces on FortiGate. So before we start this one, I have covered this topic in my previous videos. So if you want to learn, you can check FortiGate folder. Okay. So for this one, like we have this lab setup here, and we will configure SBI interface on 48, and we will use that port 4, and we will configure a switch, and we will try to ping this IP. Okay, so for that one, first we will go on FortiGate. Okay, to go under interfaces. So here we will take this interface. Okay, so we will click on OK on this interface. Here we will not do anything, like we will leave this one alias as it is. If we want to put any name, we can put, and a role will be undefined, and brf if we want to put any brf, that we can do, or we can leave it. And here address, we will not put any address, we will leave it as it is, and the IP will be 0.0.0, so we will not do anything here. Okay, if we want to enable any ping or anything, we can do, but as we are using this one as a physical interface, we will not do anything. Okay, so after that, once we will enable this interface. Okay, we will click OK. Once this interface is enabled, next is step to create SVI. We have to click on here, and then interfaces. Okay, here we will put the name. I like name, we can put any name, like guest I will put here. Alias, we can give like guest one. If you want any alias, if you want, you can put here. It will be what type of interface you want, that we have to select. So here we have to select, it should be the VLAN. Okay, then VLAN protocol will be .1q, and interface we will select port, and VLAN ID, which we what VLAN we want to give, that we need to specify here. So like on switch I have configured 20, so we will give 20. Okay, so BRF ID, if we have any BRF ID under that we are configuring, that we can do, or we will leave it. Okay, role will be LAN, like it I will use as a LAN, this one. Okay, so I will give the role as our LAN. Okay, here we have to give the manual IP. So as you know, this side I have taken the 30.30.30.0/24 subnet. Here I have configured a .2, so here I will take .1. Okay, so here we will configure 30.30.30.1 and /24. Okay, here we will allow ping. If we want to ping that interface, that we can do. This is only interface specific. And then we have to click on enable. If we want to put any comment, that we can put, usually like if we are doing under any change, we can put the change number. Okay, so we will put click. So if you will see under this one, our as sub interface is created. Okay, now we will go on switch. On the switch I have already configured the interface and VLAN. I will tell you what are the things I have configured here. So if you will see, I have configured SVI interface, and I have given this IP. The configuration, if you want to look, that I let me show you. So I have configured this VLAN and given this IP. And if you will see, so VLAN ID 20. So you will see that now we have created L2 VLAN as well. And if you will see this diagram, we have to allow on this one, that VLAN, and we have to make it this one as a trunk. So if you will I will go here again on switch. If you will see the configuration on the interface, so here you can see, like I have configured this one, trunk and .1q encapsulation, and allowed this VLAN only. Okay, so if we will try to ping from here, that IP, 30 the gateway IP 30.30.30.1, so it will ping. Okay, if we want to ping that 10.10.10 IP, 10.10.10.10 IP, so ping will not work because we have not allowed under policy. And here one more thing I have configured, that let me show you. Like here we don't have any routing as of now, so I have configured the static route for this. So I have configured the static route on this one. If anyone wants to talk to this IP, send it to this port. So if you will see here, so run pipe session this, it will take some time, I believe. So run pipe session route, it will show here. So you can see like I have configured this static route and pointing to the gateway. Okay, so why it is not pinging the 10.10.10? Because we don't have allowed policy. Okay, once interface is configured, like let me allow create a policy for this one, a quick policy. Here I will give the name as a guest to WAN, and interface I will select the that guest interface, that is SVI interface hour. Okay, if you will see here, if you will point, it will show the IP, and outgoing interface will be WAN. I will allow as of now all the services here. Okay, here I will allow destination as well, all services, and here I will allow mm, services will be all. Okay, and I will not check anything else. Net I will disable it, and I will click on OK. Okay, so now if I will try to ping again here, I will go here again on switch. If I will try to ping, sorry, let me do it again. Route, let me ping. So it is pinging, and if we I want to do telnet from here, telnet, let's try. So you can see that a telnet is happening. Okay, so it means like our SBI is working fine. Okay, here I will give the IP. So you can see I went on WAN interface. I to from here I took that telnet session here. Okay, and you can see that this is our WAN router, and here we are on that router. Okay, if we want to see the traffic as well, if I will refresh this one, where is refresh also? Okay, let me refresh here. So you can see the count will be here. You can see the packet is increasing here, and on the interface as well, if you will see, we will be seeing some ping. If you will see here, it ping is allowed here. You can see some hit is there. Let me click on this. Mm-hmm. Hit, no, this. Mhm. Okay, here let me show the packets. Okay, I put a click on packet. So here you can see, like you can see packets. Okay, so that's end of our lecture. We have created the SVI interface, and we try to ping from here to here. Okay, and we are able to do that, and so that's it. If you want any other video topic lecture, please comment, so we will create our topology for that one as well. And thank you for watching.